MBOT stock is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. It is currently up 24.58% in the regular session of today, the 11th of March 2025. You see some interesting stuff going on here. The stock has just been inching up the charts and just picking up support from from the upper line of its price channel. That price channel is serving as a primary demand line, if you like. So I think that that is currently $2.19. That's what that upper line is indicating. But in any case, you won't believe it. Since the 10th of March, the algos on this stock on its 10-day on its daily chart is has continued to reiterate three Fibonacci projections. There could be more further up. You can see that since this began on the 10th of March. You can see that up to yesterday the 10th, and maybe tomorrow it might still do that. Today it's still insisting on that. Today the 11th is still insisting on these projections we have here. 2.2, it has blown through that one now, given what's going on right now, given this 24 to 25% strength. It or gain it ran up now, and then above that 2.56, above that 2.79. Even the algos, the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages are also chiming in. They are, singing the same. They're singing from the same hymn sheet, And then after that, maybe some retracement might occur. It might peak on Friday the 25th, and then moderate somewhat, and then further decay up till Friday the 16th of May. So yeah, those are the projections. There's even a further one. There's 2.2, 2.56, and 2.79 on this daily chart. There are no downward projections. There was one that was in play up till Tuesday, the 25th of March, but not reiterated anymore. Below that as well, there's a 1.73 not in play at the moment. So this one is a 1.56 not in play. This is 1.98 not in play at the moment. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. You might see something here on the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Let's see what the projections are. It also had it's a reiteration as well. We had from Thursday, the 10th of April, kept on insisting on that, still insisting on it up to today. Just uh, over the past couple of over the last 5 hours, these projections came up: 2.11, 2.48, and 2.11, 2.40, and 2.58. And over the last couple of over the past 5 hours, over the past 20 hours, you could say over the past 20 hours, because these print every 4 hours, because since it's a 4-hour chart. So we have the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages equally projecting higher prices as well. Yeah, interesting stuff on MBOT. Let's have a look at the 2-hour chart and see what's going on. Yeah, here we have no upper projections. No, yeah, we have some. We have some. We have two upper projections. As a matter of fact, the downward one is 2.09. Upward one's 2.37. Not far from where it is right now. 2.55. Yeah, and no downward projections in play. There is one, but was in play, but not in play anymore. 1.67. Yeah, okay, let's see. We might see some really ambitious projections on the minute charts. Let's have a look at the 10-minute chart. Let's see what we have. We have 2.24. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see here. We have 2.3, 2.34, 2.37. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, we done, okay, couple of projections. Most of them are just right around where it is: 2.23, 2.22, 2.21, 2.29, 2.31, 2.32. Yeah, it's just yeah, what's going on. So, in terms of news, about 2 days ago, it was saying that let's say Microbot Medical Earnings Preview recent MBOT. Okay, let's see. It says down here. It says on trial win. Stock gains as its Liberty Surgical Robotic System achieves 100% success in trials. Yeah, that will be 2 days ago. We can find out from the chart here. This is the volatility expansion. This happened yesterday on Thursday. So this is, yeah, I think that's when that happened. For some reason, we weren't aware of that expansion, volatility expansion, still expanding. Okay, it's expanded, contracted, and then we are looking at further expansion now. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, volatility expansion on Thursday the 9th. Currently now the price is right outside of its price channel for on this 4 hour and 1 hour charts. Okay, let's come down to the 4 hour chart and here on trading view to see if we can see that this is ninth. Yeah, this is the morning. This is the morning. So yeah, that was the day happened, I think. And then kept on printing higher prices. Let's have a look at the before that time as well. The algos, maybe, who knows, how did they get in that information? They began to, before that time, you see, way ahead, a month before that time, the algos began to suspect. Or maybe because the earnings were going to come out. Maybe there are a couple of things that may have happened that they read into. Maybe they read about previous, about the medical device they have, the endo cardiovascular device they had, and they probably knew that this was when this was going to. The algos have been prompted to, digest, the prospect of this news probably coming out, and maybe started to project these Fibonacci projections, and one of them has just taken place, has just occurred. You know. So projections of retesting this high of 2.85 is actually there. Let's see now. Let's see what the moving averages are saying. The 10 period moving average is 1.53. Here it is 1.16. So probability of it getting there not most certainly below 50%. Let's come down and see what the projects probabilities are saying. Okay, here 1.89. I think the probability of it printing that based on its 10-day moving average is indicating that there's a good chance that it's something that can print. What am I talking about? It has already printed that. It's currently at 2.23. So 2.23. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Well, the fact that it has printed those highs 2.84. It just gives you an indication that that probability is there. The probability of it getting there is there. You know. So yeah, MBOT on the move, and I think market participants they're not that aggressive because it has just maintained this price. It's just maintained it. Even though we can see that the order book looks thin, but they're not aggressively doing things. I think the price is not really changing that much. What could this be? Maybe um, they've just maybe the aggression has moderated. I mean, people are just maybe buying with the regular limit orders and all that, because it's usually the market orders that contribute to aggression. They contribute to volatility. So MBOT on the move. Yeah, on the move. We can try and find out what the float is for MBOT. Okay, I don't think it's not. I don't think it's a low float stock. It's not a low float stock. Yeah. Okay. There. Just see what you make of MBOT and upper projections we have here on the daily chart all the way towards 2.79. The probability of it printing those 2.79, not very high, but just there. And thank you very much for watching this video.